Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. First and foremost, I would like to thank all those persons who have subscribed and share and like and have hit that notification bell for the past couple of weeks. I realize that my subscribers are up and I'm feeling very awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Enough respect. Alright, so today's video we're talking about the whole idea of your aquarium water. How it looks. For example, you're looking at a little pond in which I have at the side. How can this muddy water, how can this dirty looking water affect your fish fish health? Okay, I'm going to be looking at it from two different perspectives. One, I'm going to be looking at the pros, and two, I'm going to be looking at the cons. Right? Okay, muddy water. Alright, so one, mud within your aquarium, or should I say clay or dirt, it serves to benefit your fish as it provides some needed minerals in which the fish needs so as to develop strong bones, healthy fins, and looking really colorful and nice. Alright, number two, muddy water gives the fish the opportunity, especially if it is this type of fish, to hunt, right? When the water is very clear, and predators tend not to be so successful in actually catching live prey, because the live prey can actually see them when they are coming, and sometimes it causes the predator to actually starve to death. Alright, in the muddy water, they are able to sneak upon their prey and consume their prey very, easily. And you might see that this does occur within the natural environment. Yes, it does. There are several rivers in Jamaica where the water itself is very muddy, especially during the rainy season, right? If it's not muddy, it's very green, and there's a lot of organisms, both fish, plants, insects, yeah, waterborne insects, yeah, and fish, shrimps, lobster living in these waterways, right? Okay, so I look at two benefit of muddy water, not so clear water within your aquarium. All right, let's look at two negatives. Right? Okay, so when your water is like this, it can do two things. One, it can prohibit the fertilization, or should I say the proper fertilization of your fish eggs. So let's say that you have some fish eggs, some fishes trying to spawn, right? The mud can be of such that it either inhibits the fertilization process, or two, it brings with it bacteria, which actually encourages the growth of fungus or other microscopic organism, which affects the development of the eggs into wrigglers, into fries, and so forth. Alright, let's look at number two. Number two factor why in which muddy water is not recommended, and it's simple. It's not aesthetically welcoming to persons looking on, right? It's like you have an aquarium and it looks really muddy, but you have fish in it. What's the purpose of this? The main purpose of you having an aquarium, so that persons can actually view the fish within the aquarium swimming, or just swimming, making life existing, right? So this is a debate in which a lot of persons might have with regards to muddy water, unclear water. Having crystal clear water is what everybody wants within their aquarium. However, there are some fish that does very well in muddy water, and they crave for it, right? Such fish, example, and aquatic creatures, example, crab, shrimps, pleco, and to some extent, you might have what you call the goby fish, right? They're okay with water looking like that, because they practically scavenge off either prey or stuff that have actually been caught by something else, and they're actually going for it. right? So therefore is that's the like a blanket of camouflage in which they use so as to capture prey. This is another share in which I think it's debatable. Some persons might have their viewpoints different from this, but it is a fact. Let me know what you think. We're talking about fish keeping, and we're talking about good habits. We're talking about how you allow your aquarium water to look. But frankly speaking, not much, if any, at all persons will allow their aquarium water to look like this. Probably their ponds might look like this, but not their aquarium, because the aquarium should be looking crystal clear, aesthetically attractive to persons looking on. Right here for another fish keeping Jamaica. Peace!